Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off live transcribe shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on advanced settings. Then tap on accessibility button at the top. Next, tap on select actions. Now go down, so scroll down and then tap on live transcribe. Tap on the item in here to select or deselect. Once you tap on it, you will turn it on or you switch it off. When it is turned on, it will have a blue check mark. Now, if I tap on the accessibility button, it will open up the shortcut menu, and here I can tap on live transcribe to switch it on, or I can tap on it to switch it off. Now, in here, it is turned on. To turn it off, you simply just have to close it. So you can close it from the recent key, or you can simply close it with the back key. And that's it. That is how you can add or remove the live transcribe shortcut to the accessibility menu. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.